How to start an international business. You might have figured out the dynamics of running local business venture, but as you can tell from the above risks, running an international operation is not for the faint of heart. The most reassuring part of it's that no business, however small, comes completely risk-free. Furthermore, most of the challenges outlined above can be surmounted. Let's take a look at essential steps in setting up your import-export business that will improve your odds of success. Prepare. One of the first steps to set up any business is adequate preparation. In this case, you need to prepare a business plan that takes into consideration your international market. This will help you to assess your needs and set objectives. Market research. Carry out foreign market research using the resources available online and at your local chamber of commerce. This will help you figure out what products would perform well in which markets and the complexities of getting there. Evaluate distribution methods. There are as many different distribution strategies as there are product varieties. Establish the most viable method of getting your products to the intended market. This could be through intermediaries like agents or distributors. You could also opt for a joint venture with a company in that market or even set up a foreign subsidiary. Regulations and legal aspects. This is often the toughest part of the international business setup process. Every market has a distinct set of regulations to govern the trade. These rules are ever evolving and you need a reliable way to stay ahead of developments or risk incurring penalties. Congratulations! You have officially learned the basics of international trade and business for beginners. Now start booming and make the world your business. Also, if you would like to learn more about international trade, you can watch videos here on my YouTube channel. Now I would like to hear your thoughts. I want to make sure you get this and prove it to me. I want you to do a couple of things for me. 1. Hook me up with a thumbs up, and number 2, comment below with an I get it. I just want to make sure you understand these basic subjects of international trade and business because they are underlying foundation behind all the scenes of import-export works. So comment below with an I get it. Use the hashtag Team Murat if you are a part of Team Murat and subscribe to my channel here. So go out there and make some trade, be confident and realize that you can export and import at the same time. Yes, make sure you catch some of the other videos over here. We got some good stuff coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Thanks again. Click over here to keep going. Bye.